Hello everyone. Today I want to play game called Betaya Hard 9. Let's go. Now, we look at the game. Let's begin. ดูถ่ายดู All Sparta coming now. He never die because he is legend and supporter from KR.นี่คือสิ่งที่เห็นพี่พลอยที่เห็นเลยโอ้ the ball again. I don't think I out on just pay detail him and I ask still อะไร and two now the deck move as it something like swing okay and swing again let's see what gonna be the next and now I want to upgrade my bed it's still lag ฉันไฟเดียวจะติ้งคือ into okay that is like I'm gonna see that new deal now just be patient now you believe what you think you become now is friend of KR want to help me but I will stuck but I can return it